How to delete WhatsApp chat from laptop. So if you want to delete WhatsApp chat from your laptop, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to simply enter WhatsApp web and go for the first search, which is web.whatsapp.com, and make sure to log into your account. So simply scan this QR code with your mobile and log into your WhatsApp web. Once you're on the WhatsApp, you need to simply go for any one of your chats. Once you're on the chat, now if you want to delete a WhatsApp chat from your laptop, then you just need to select the chat that you would like to delete. Or if you're not being able to select, then you just need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go for select messages. And from here, you can simply select the messages. And once you've selected the messages, now go for the delete, which is here on the bottom right. And here you can delete for everyone so that the message will be deleted from both sides. Or you can delete only for yourself, which is delete for me. So I'll be choosing delete for everyone and tap on OK, and that's it. Your message has been deleted. So that's how you can delete your messages or your chats on your WhatsApp from laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.